Hello everyone and welcome to Quiz Minder. Can you guess the 150 flag within just 3 seconds? Before we start, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more exciting quizzes. Are you ready? Let's go! Let's start with the easy level. Number 1. Guess this flag. Japan. Guess the number 2. South Korea. Guess the number 3. Italy. Guess this flag. China. Can you guess this flag? United States. Do you know this flag? Spain. Now which flag is? Ireland. Guess this flag. Switzerland. Can you guess this flag? Croatia. Do you know this flag? Argentina. Now which flag is? United Kingdom. Guess this flag. Canada. Can you guess this flag? Greece. Do you know this flag? India. Now which flag is? France. Guess this flag. Portugal. Can you guess this flag? Germany. Do you know this flag? Austria. Now which flag is? Mexico. Guess this flag. Sweden. Can you guess this flag? Denmark. Do you know this flag? Finland. Now which flag is? Ukraine. Guess this flag. Chile. Can you guess this flag? Russia. Do you know this flag? Brazil. Now which flag is? Australia. Guess this flag. Costa Rica. Can you guess this flag? Egypt. Do you know this flag? Iceland. Now which flag is? Thailand. Guess this flag. Ecuador. Can you guess this flag? Cambodia. Do you know this flag? Belgium. Now which flag is? Colombia. Guess this flag. Czech Republic. Can you guess this flag? Jordan. Do you know this flag? Estonia. Let's start with the medium level. Can you guess this flag? Jamaica. Do you know this flag? Guatemala. Now, which flag is? Hungary. Guess this flag. Bangladesh. Can you guess this flag? Armenia. Do you know this flag? Lebanon. Now, which flag is? Nepal. Guess this flag. Bolivia. Can you guess this flag? Laos. Do you know this flag? Iraq. Now, which flag is? Iran. Guess this flag. Kenya. Can you guess this flag? Poland. Do you know this flag? Mozambique. Now, which flag is? Greenland. Guess this flag. Indonesia. Can you guess this flag? Qatar. Do you know this flag? Cyprus. Now, which flag is? Norway. Guess this flag. Peru. Can you guess this flag? Montenegro. Do you know this flag? UAE. Now, which flag is? North Korea. Guess this flag. Honduras. Can you guess this flag? Panama. Do you know this flag? Liechtenstein. Now, which flag is? Curacao. Guess this flag. Kuwait. Can you guess this flag? Moldova. Do you know this flag? Afghanistan. Now, which flag is? New Zealand. Guess this flag. Lithuania. Can you guess this flag? Sri Lanka. Do you know this flag? Bahamas. Now, which flag is? Antarctica. Ethiopia. Georgia. Let's start with the hard level. Can you guess this flag? Cape Verde. Guess this flag. Cuba. Can you guess this flag? Nigeria. Do you know this flag? Luxembourg. Now, which flag is? Mongolia. Guess this flag. Gabon. Can you guess this flag? Cameroon. Do you know this flag? Libya. Now, which flag is? Burkina Faso. Guess this flag. Albania. Can you guess this flag? Pakistan. Do you know this flag? Ghana. Now, which flag is? Malaysia. Guess this flag. Mali. Can you guess this flag? Dominican Republic. Do you know this flag? Azerbaijan. Now, which flag is? Bulgaria. Guess this flag. Philippines. Can you guess this flag? Botswana. Do you know this flag? Israel. Now, which flag is? Algeria. Guess this flag. Netherlands. Can you guess this flag? Benin. Do you know this flag? Seychelles. Now, which flag is? Maldives. Guess this flag. Namibia. Can you guess this flag? Latvia. Do you know this flag? Serbia. Now, which flag is? Uruguay. Guess this flag. Syria. Can you guess this flag? Haiti. Do you know this flag? Romania. Now, which flag is? Malta. Guess this flag. Rwanda. Can you guess this flag? Paraguay. Do you know this flag? Bhutan. Now, which flag is? Tajikistan. Guess this flag. Sudan. Let's start with the impossible level. Can you guess this flag? Tuvalu. Do you know this flag? Somalia. Now, which flag is? El Salvador. Guess this flag. Madagascar. Can you guess this flag? Morocco. Do you know this flag? Kazakhstan. Now, which flag is? Singapore. Guess this flag. Senegal. Can you guess this flag? Lesotho. Do you know this flag? Venezuela. Now, which flag is? Saudi Arabia. Guess this flag. Chad. Can you guess this flag? Slovenia. Do you know this flag? Tunisia. Now, which flag is? Turkey. Guess this flag. Turkmenistan. Can you guess this flag? Tanzania. Do you know this flag? Vietnam. Now, which flag is? Fiji. Guess this flag. Taiwan. Can you guess this flag? Yemen. Do you know this flag? Togo. Now, which flag is? Uganda. Guess this flag. Palau. Can you guess this flag? Zimbabwe. Do you know this flag? Uzbekistan. Now, which flag is? Sierra Leone. Guess this flag. South Africa. Can you guess this flag? Myanmar. Do you know this flag? Nicaragua. Now, which flag is? Angola. Guess this flag. Kyrgyzstan. Can you guess this flag? Mauritania. Do you know this flag? Ivory Coast. Now, which flag is? Oman. Guess this flag. Puerto Rico.
Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the Quizminder channel for more fun challenges like this. And see you in the next video. Goodbye.